Angie just said, whoa. What's up guys, Josh here with 508 Magnets. Here with Angie today. We're gonna be doing some magnet fishing. We're down at this little creek slash ravine area. It's also freezing. It's like 35 degrees. And yeah, we're gonna have a cold, fun day. So let's see what we find. Let's get to throwing. All right, down at the edge of the ravine, I brought out Ferris Dueler for this task today. Double my coverage area for searching. The water is pretty shallow, can see the bottom for the most part. Can't really throw off the bridge because there's a big steel pipe that runs along the side of it, so we'd have to throw like almost 4 or 5 feet out before we even get there, and then you hit this tree. So we're down here on the edge. Angie's a little further downstream. Let's get to it. And we got something first throw. What do we got? Looks like an old piece of a can. Like I said, there's gonna be lots of garbage in here, so expect some of that first throw. Not bad. All right, another toss, another piece of a can. For those of you who don't know, this is my Ferris Dueler, and this is made by Rogue Magnetics. This is two 2,600 pound double-sided magnets, perfect for an area like this, that you know it's not too bad, not going to get hung up on anything, and it doubles your search area, top, bottom, left, and right. So hoping to pull a lot of stuff out of here today. We're gonna see what we can find. All right, can see something moving along with my magnet. And we definitely got a little piece of pipe, white pipe, in the bucket. Feels like I've got something on there. Oh, I do. It's fighting me though. I think it's right there. Oh, it's an awkward shape. Looks like it's gonna be a car part of some sort. No, actually, I think that's a lamp, which probably means it's mostly brass or aluminum, but there's definitely some steel part on there. Oh, I can't. There's not enough steel for it to really grab a hold. We'll get it. Yeah. Angie, make a wish. I found a lamp. Well, if there's a genie in there, his name is Mud. And I just poured him out. I don't think I've ever found a lamp before. That's pretty funny. So we got ourselves a lamp. Angie just hollered she's got a can. Woo! She's way over there. Probably can't even see her. She's so camouflaged right now. GoPro. Oh, wait a minute. Look. Oh, no way. I thought this was like a lamp cover, but it's like an ice cream sundae cup from like Friendly's or something. I was about to shut the camera off. Look at that. That's funny.
Alright, so I got an old can.
That's a sterno can.
Oh yeah, I was like, it's pretty intact, but
That's the things you put under a buffet table and they light on fire.
I know what a sterno can is.
Oh, you got like
Car
a
charger thing.
car charger.
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't think it'll still work, but it's still nice and pink.
I found an ice cream cup from Friendly's.
That is not magnetic.
No, it was on the floor. I thought it was a lampshade or something.
That's pretty funny.
That's pretty cool. I don't think it's gonna work.
No.
No. I saw it in here. I thought it was a flashlight.
Before you just be pointing to the wrong back.
Here, make a wish on my genie lamp.
Gross.
It's very gross. It's full of mud. All right, we've moved on to the other side of the bridge here. Angie's on this side, going from the bridge using the Rogue Beast Box 1200 pound, single-sided, which is best used from a bridge. And she's got something. Couple of things. Oh, I see a lock on there. Careful of the bridge.
Can't see it coming up.
Nice. Oh, oh no.
I'll find it.
She'll get it. What'd you get?
This is like frame piece
Little bracket framing.
and a little small pipe.
All right.
What's your
Nice. All right. Go get that bite lock. I can see it right there. You can see the lock all nice and shiny. Nice, lead it right to it. You're on it. Hop it. There you go. Nice.
bike lock? There's a shiny little lock on there.
Sweet bike lock. Someone's lost their bike probably.
Yeah, it's like it got cut. The
Definitely.
chain got cut.
Cut the chain.
Yep.
Nice.
Right
Oh, it's dangling. It's dangling. Twist the rope a little bit. There you go. Angie got herself a curtain rod. Can she get it up? Oh, she got it. Hands on. Oh, a U-shaped piece of metal.
with a fork and a knife tied to it.
The fork and knife are tied to it.
Yeah.
Drop your magnet. Swing it this way. I want to see.
Like voodoo thing that I should mess
Some voodoo thing? You never know. It totally could be where we are. That is real. I'm gonna say yes.
I don't know if I want to mess with it. Should I put it back?
Nope, it's trash. It needs to come out. Look at that. So it's like a fork and knife, and there's like a bundle of twigs or something, probably some sort of spices, and it's all tied up onto this big U-bolt. That is bizarre. I've never seen anything like that. Angie, I think you found your first piece of voodoo.
Oh, yay. I don't know if I'm excited about that.
Here it comes.
You found a veto button.
That's cool. She doesn't know if she's cool with it, but that's cool. Fine. It's totally weird. All right, I can see Ferris pick something up. Looks like a piece of pipe. And that's definitely what it is. Angie's on something. It's a big piece of flat metal. She got it. That's what she was getting stuck on before.
Maybe this goes with my pipe.
It's got some white paint on there.
Nice if we have a sign.
Oh, a sign would be cool. Does it have holes or anything?
It's got some type of letters.
Don't rub too hard, the mud will take it off.
Century Group.
Century Group?
Yeah, it gives me an address for Century Group.
All right, back up here with Angie. I want to check out this thing that she found. Century Group, New York. I think this is a safe. It's a safe panel. Underwriter Laboratories. This is pretty sturdy. I don't know, it's pretty thin for a safe, but I think that's the same address that I had on the safe door that I found.
Nice.
Then she just pulled up this pipe. Big pipe piece. This is that pipe end that she found. Definitely a pipe end. I like it. That's the bike gear. Pretty sweet. Washer. She found a whippet can. What's up? Angie says she's got something. She does. Let's see what it is. Big section of pipe.
Yep. Another big old pipe piece.
Some wires or something on there. Nice. This is a good spot. I've fished here before, kind of much further down. With the boys, found all sorts of computer parts and things. But I've never actually fished this close to the bridge, so. Angie just said, whoa, and she is totally right to do so. Look at that, that's super cool. Oh, oh, that's, oh, look at that. Look at that.
That's so neat. Poor thing's super rusty, but
It's got like this is a windshield breaker. That's what that is. Seatbelt cutter. Very cool, like Native American design on there with like wolves and eagles and mountains.
neat.
See if it opens. I'm not gonna take your glory. See if it opens. If it is, maybe we can clean it up. Oh yeah. Can you get it? Oh, it opens! That's super cool.
I don't open it all the way because there's a lot.
Your first pocket knife, and that's a
Nice.
badass one.
Cool.
I bet we might be able to clean that up a little bit.
Oh, click on the end too.
Yeah, that's the seatbelt cutter.
Oh, nice.
So you can... I don't know if it's usable, but it could clean up.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Cool. See?
Put that over here. All right, I don't even know why I'm here today because Angie just keeps finding everything. That's a nice section of 2-inch pipe stock, square stock.
I was just trying to fish because I thought I had a little pipe, and then I lost it, so I punked it back down, and I was like, this just got a lot heavier all of a sudden.
This is all from her. I got the lamp and like a pipe and some other small things, but she, every time I cast out, she's like, ooh, I got something. All right, trying to outdo Angie here with all her awesome finds.
I just got a goat hanger.
A coat hanger and what, you said a little paper binder. Yeah. So I need the claw for a little bit of help because I know that there's big things in there that are just so covered in mud that they need some help, so busting out the claw. More wire. See, look, I can't even take one throw and she's pulling up so much stuff. Hey, so I see your little binder clip there, but I'm raised you double.
I also got this.
God damn it, woman!
Love you.
Oh, you're too good at this. I love her. I do. All right, here's one of the big items that I knew was there. That is so covered in leaves and stuff that needed a little help from the claw. Oh, it's got a wet like t-shirt on there. There we go. Big old steel rack.
Nice.
Soup? Nice, we got lunch.
That's a big rack.
It is a big rack. I like big racks. Looks like I just got another one of those racks. There it is. Got on there with the magnet and the claw. This one's a little smaller. I don't know, with racks it is about the size. There you go. 2 racks, bucket full of scrap. It's a good spot. We're cleaning it up. All right, I just pulled up this pipe. I think the camera died right as I did it. And Angie got a handle, like a little pull handle. And she has been fighting with whatever this is for a long time now, and she's finally got it. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're under there somewhere, under all those layers. Oh, you're so close.
I don't want it to fall.
It might fall. It's round.
I think it's a big pipe chunk.
Big pipe chunks. Nice. Oh, jeez. What is that, like 45 pounds? Plastic? I have no idea besides big pipe chunk. I think you're right on the money.
Yeah. Is that supposed to stay down there? I don't know.
Whoops. Ugh.
But it was moving.
That's pretty sweet. I think our bucket is full.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna call it a day.
It was a pretty good haul.
It was, absolutely. We cleaned out this river pretty well. We found a lot of cool stuff. Angie, what's your favorite?
My knife.
Your knife? It is pretty sweet. We'll try to clean it up, and if we can, I'll put a picture at the end.
And my security door.
Yeah, we'll have to look into that. I like my lamp. I think that was really fun. And just, you know, tons of pipe and random pieces. But this was definitely the catch of the day right there. And that's Angie's.
Yay,
So.
my first knife find.
Yep. She's saying it's a magnet fisher's rite of passage, and she's totally right. So, sweet.
Pretty cool. I think it beat you though.
Yeah, oh yeah, totally. But,
Oh, you did get those cool shelves.
yeah, I got a lot of those shelves, I forgot.
Pretty big.
So, we'll have to get those in the car, get all this in the car, take it out of here. Big old noisy truck. Yeah, lunch, warm up. We're soaked and cold. It's like maybe 40 degrees out right now. So,
You know, it is November. We're getting to that time of year in New England, but it doesn't mean I have to like it.
no.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
As she said it, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.